End behavior in polynomial functions. To find end behavior, you must first find the leading coefficient in a polynomial function. So let's say we have the equation 5x to the 5th plus 7x to the 6th plus 72. The leading coefficient would then be 7x to the 6th since it's the highest exponent. Let's find end behavior. So let's say we have the equation 5x to the 4th plus 7x to the 3rd plus 2. You first take the leading coefficient, which is 5x to the 4th, and you see if it's a positive or negative. If it's a positive, that means that the right side of the graph would be going up, also known as x goes to positive infinity. The left side of the graph then, depending on if would go up also, since the exponent is even, and that would be also known as, that would be x goes to positive infinity.
Positive and
Now let's change the equation up. Let's say we have 5x to the 3rd plus 7x to the 2nd plus 2. Still, we have a positive leading coefficient, so that means that the right side would go up. Again, x goes to positive infinity. But since the exponent is odd, that means that the left side would go down, or x goes to negative infinity. And the leading coefficient, now let's say the leading coefficient is negative 5x to the 4th plus 7x to the 2nd plus 2. Now since the leading coefficient is negative, that means that the right side would go down. Or also known as x goes to negative infinity. Since we have an even exponent, that means it would also, the left side would also go down, aka x goes to negative infinity. Having an even exponent means that it'll equal the same direction as the leading coefficient. So if you have negative 5x to the 4th, that means that the left side will equal the right side. If you have x to the 5th, x to the 4th, I'm sorry, that means that, x to the 5th, that means that the right side goes up and does not equal and the exponent does not equal the right side. So L does not equal the right side, so it would go down. And that's the lesson on end behavior.